this is the wallpaper that you are looking for, and I'm going to show you for free. You're not going to pay anything, okay? What I need to do is to like the video for me for more videos right here on this platform. So let me just take you through this. But if you're new, just like the video and subscribe for more. Let's start and I'll show you how this is done. Let's go. So now let me take it off and then let me show you how it is done. If you are new, just like the video. Okay, so now go to App Store and search for Iscreen. Okay, search for Iscreen and choose this one. Okay, Iscreen widgets and wallpaper. Then you download it. After downloading it, just open the app called Iscreen. Okay, then with notification, for me, I won't allow it. It depends on you. Okay, so asking if it can track, for me, I'll go for ask app not to track. Okay, then what are you going to do is to tap on continue down here. So when you tap on continue, you will see this as well. You tap on continue again, and then you tap on continue, and for the last time. Okay, and you will see this asking you for premium. Just tap on the cancel right here. This app, okay, this app support ad. Okay, it support ad, so anything that you want to get access to, you can just watch ad and get access, okay, without subscribing. But if you want to subscribe, you can go on and subscribe and get all that you need on the app. Okay, and there's not a paid ad. Okay, so yes, my doors are open for advertisement as well. So we go to wallpapers right here. Just tap on wallpapers down here, then you come at the top, then you tap on the search, and then you tap or search for Labubu. Okay, you will see it right here because it's one of the top search right now. Then you tap on Labubu right here. So you tap on it, it will show you right here. As you can see, it comes with a whole lot of Labubu wallpapers. Okay, so yes, you can just select any one of your choice, but favorite one is this one. You tap on it, you can just watch how it's just like. If you're not okay, then you just scroll down and then you get to see more of it. Okay, so if you're okay with this, then you download it. Okay, and then we have the second one too. That is it. This is just a still wallpaper. Okay, but this one is a live wallpaper. Then you will tap on download. Okay, and then this is just a one-time download, and when you tap on it, an ad will load, as I've already told you. So when you tap on download wallpaper, and then it will ask for getting access to your photos, okay, so that it will be able to download the file. Then you give it access, whether to limit or allow full access, and then it will be downloading, but the ad will come. Okay, so now you can see save successful. For me, the ad didn't come, so for you, maybe it will come. So after that, just go to your gallery. Okay, and then you will get to see it right here. Okay, so you can see this is it. Okay, you will get to see it, and then you can then down here tap on this arrow, this sign right here, the share icon. When you tap on it right here, and then you look down, you will see use as wallpaper. Then you tap on use as wallpaper, and then it will just give you this. Okay, and then you are going to set it to any shape that you want. Okay, the size of it, you then configure it right here. So for me, this is okay. And then make sure you turn on the live, otherwise it will just be a still wallpaper as you see on the screen. So you tap on the live, and then it will just give you that as you just saw it. Okay, and then to make it cool, you can see the clock is white. You tap on the clock, and then you go to the colors down here, and then you change it to black. Okay, yes, and then it will be something like this as you see on the screen. Okay, so this is what you're going to do right here. After that, you tap on add, and then you tap on set wallpaper pair. Okay, now let's lock our phone screen and let's turn it on, and you can see how cool it is. You can see just because of the clock, it is making it so cool. So just make sure you just change the clock to a black color, and then that's all.